We say that the virtual gym increases body intelligence. Why? A healthy body with a healthy lifestyle knows exactly what to do for itself. The brain knows what to do in that healthy body. It releases the hormones, balances hormones. This is a regular, everyday process. A body that is inactive has obesity problems, has different other medical issues. The brain is also inactive. It just sits there, doesn't do anything. So the virtual gym sends a signal, resonates with the motor nerve, enhances the sensory nerves. The entire nervous system is stimulated. It triggers the brain to start releasing the hormones. So basically, the virtual gym triggers a process that will get your body to act and behave as if this is a healthy body exercising regularly when you're not a healthy person and you're not exercising regularly. Basically, the virtual gym will get the brain to start acting differently than before. The brain before was acting like you are an inactive person that doesn't do anything and has obesity and other medical problems. And now the brain is acting as if you're an active person, somebody who's been exercising and has a healthy lifestyle. That's what the virtual gym triggers. It gets the body to learn what to do for itself, to make itself happy. The body knows, obviously, but to trigger that process. So that's why we call the virtual gym, that it enhances body intelligence.